On an EV car, one of the issues that we always run into is the tolerances that we have to work with are very tight. The battery takes up, pretty much the entire bottom of the vehicle. The AV arms just provide so much more clearance to be able to get the EV batteries out without having to be, again, so precise about where we position the car, specifically how the arm on the AV arm narrows around the lift point is crucial at making it more efficient to get that battery out. We had instances where we were about ready to pull the battery out and we had to lower the vehicle back down, reposition it with go jacks in order to make sure that we were dead on with being able to clear the battery past the arms. We did not have to do that with the AV arms at all.